In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Rank Math SEO Setup Wizard. Right after you activate the Rank Math plugin in WordPress, you'll notice that WordPress automatically redirects you to the Rank Math Setup Wizard. That's intentional, and it's the quickest way to get your core SEO settings in place. If you happen to close that screen or skipped it by accident, don't worry. You can reopen it at any time. From your WordPress dashboard, head to Rank Math SEO, then choose Dashboard. On that page, look for the Setup Wizard tab and click it to start fresh. This gives you a clean, guided path without having to hunt through individual settings. Once you're inside the wizard, the first thing you'll do is choose the setup mode that fits your comfort level. If you're brand new to SEO or to Rank Math, Easy Mode is a great choice. It applies smart defaults that work well for most sites, minimizing the chance of misconfiguration. Think of it as a safe, solid baseline that handles the essentials without overwhelming you with options. If you prefer more control and you're comfortable making decisions about how your titles, meta descriptions, sitemaps, and other elements behave, choose Advanced Mode. This mode opens up more switches and fields right in the wizard, so you can tailor your SEO setup to your content strategy and site structure. It's perfect if you already know the kinds of metadata, indexing rules, or schema settings you want to adjust as you go. Finally, there's Custom Mode. This is meant for pro users who already have a configuration file they want to import. If you manage multiple sites or you've documented a specific configuration you trust, Custom Mode lets you apply those settings instantly, so your new site matches your established template. If you don't have a saved config file or a pro plan, you can skip this and stick with Easy or Advanced. A quick tip: whichever mode you choose now isn't permanent. You can revisit and refine settings later as your site grows or your needs change. Advanced Mode gives you more levers up front, but Easy Mode is perfectly fine and won't hold you back. The goal here is to get you moving with a clean, reliable SEO foundation while keeping things manageable. That's all you need to launch the Rank Math Setup Wizard and pick the mode that matches your workflow. Go ahead and start the wizard, choose your mode with confidence, and you'll be set up for a smooth SEO configuration experience.